my life, so I'm not gonna let them shoot you. This is the last time I'm gonna do you any favors. I'm not gonna let you get away with this. This is the way it's gonna go. You're not going to try to stop me. I would hate to see you dead.